Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. This is a quick one. I'm going to show you how to turn any image or photo, including an image created by an AI art generator, into a scalable vector graphic or a vector graphic for free, at least at this time. It may change in the future. It's free right now. There's one step or two steps depending on what type of file you have. Let's start off with a PNG file. If you have a PNG file, all you need to do is go to vectorizer.com. Link will be in the description below. I'm just going to click on my Finder. If you're on a PC, you may want to use your Windows Explorer. Drag and drop the PNG file right in here, and presto, that is literally all it takes. It'll take a few seconds to upload. It will convert it, and then bang, you can download it. And when you open it, you'll see that you have a scalable vector graphic, just like I've got right here, as you can see inside Adobe Illustrator. And there it is. It says SVG download, done. Now, here's the next step. If you've got a JPEG or a different file and not a PNG, there's an extra step, and there's multiple ways to do this. I'm going to show you the free way. So the second step is if you have a JPEG, you'll just want to go to a website like PhotoPea or PhotoPea, just like I've done here. And then all you got to do, and the link's in the description below, is I'll just go File, New, and then I'm just going to create a 1280 by 720 or whatever you want to do. I'm going to go to my Finder. I'm going to go grab the JPEG or whatever file format you're using, and then I'll just drop it in here. Now, this is actually not the right size, so I'll increase the size a little bit, something like that. There we go, and I'll center it. There we go. So now I've dropped in the JPEG or other file. The next step is you want to go to File, and then you want to go Export as PNG, and that is literally it. Once you've got the PNG, it'll just save it up here, and then you can just go ahead and open that. And where did it save it for me? It saved it right here. And then just go back to vectorizer.com and just drag and drop that in, and that is all there is to it. It's currently free. It's February 5th, 2024. Hopefully it stays free for a long time. That's all there is to it, guys. Thanks for watching.